multiple addictions, spending millions on something totally illegal, a disease that almost ended his career. These are 20 things you didn't know about Lionel Messi. And for number 20, I bet you didn't know Messi is secretly addicted to junk food. At some point, he risked his career for a cookie sandwich. See, it all started in 2014, and Messi was at the top of his game at Barcelona, scoring hat-tricks, winning trophies, and racking in some sweet endorsement deals. But one day, something very strange happened. Lionel Messi vomited right on the pitch. Fans wrote it off, thinking it was one of those things. But it wasn't a one-time thing, and everyone was worried the Argentine striker was getting seriously sick. So Messi decides to come clean with the truth. He admits to binging on chocolates, Argentinian sandwich cookies, and soda